Hello viewers, my name is Taji. Today I'm a tiny chef.
Enjoy! Today we learn how to bake a basic homemade bread with a simple recipe. Ingredients are as follows: 10 cups of all-purpose flour, 4 cups of warm water at 50 degrees, 2.5 tablespoons of yeast, quarter a cup of sugar, 3 teaspoons of salt, 3 tablespoons of oil, and 4 tablespoons of milk powder. Before we start, wash your hands with soap and clean running water, and after, dry them with a clean towel.
Warm water to 50 degrees Celsius such that when you dip your clean finger, it will not be too hot nor too cold. Add yeast and sugar, stir them together and leave it to activate for 15 minutes. On a different bowl, mix flour with milk powder, salt and oil together. Add the activated yeast mixture into the flour mixture. Mix them together till the dough is formed. Transfer the dough to the kneading surface.
Now our dough is ready.
Cover the dough in the basin using a cling film. Wait for it to rise for 50 minutes.
Now our dough has risen for the first 50 minutes. And now we are going to knead it for 10 minutes more.
Cut the dough into 3 equal parts.
Now we shall oil our tins. Make sure each corner of the tin is oiled.
Our tin is 29.5 by 10.5 centimeters. Place the rolled dough into the oiled tins.
Now we shall cover the dough and let it rise for 50 more minutes. Before the dough in the tins rise, we shall preheat the oven for 5 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade.
After, proceed to bake the bread for 30 minutes. When ready, remove the baked bread from the oven using mitten. Finally, oil the bread to make it soft.
I hope you have enjoyed our video today, and now you're able to prepare a basic homemade bread for your family. Join us next time on an adventure to our kitchen garden.
Bye.
Bye.